Hi everyone. So today I am here to show you something. So recently when I uploaded a photo from our tea time cakes workshop, I had many of you asking me in my DMs, what is this, what is it called, how can we use it, where all can we use it. So today I am here to show you that. So basically this is called as flavor injectors or flavor pipettes. Now I'll upload a photo somewhere here of that workshop. So you get it in many shapes. So let me get you through few shapes. So we have three shapes with us today: cylindrical one, then we have round, and we have heart. So you get it in a packing like this, as I have shown you here. So you get it in this kind of packing, single shape in single packing. So you can fill it with any flavors which will go with your cupcakes, macaroons, tea time cakes, brownies maybe, and many things where all you want to put it, insert it in that to enhance the look, enhance the flavor, you can do it. So on the counter I have three things with me from which we are going to fill it today. So we have here chocolate sauce, then I have here blueberry crush, and the third one is the rose syrup. So we are going to fill the pipettes with this. So first I am taking the cylindrical pipette. You will squeeze it from the top and then you will insert the nozzle inside and then you will release. So it will start filling on its own, as you can see. So you are going to fill it. It will completely pop out. Until then it will take the syrup inside. Now here it is only 1/4 fill, which we want to fill little more. We'll do it upside down, squeeze it again, and repeat the same process. So again, if you see, it has started filling itself. So this is how it is filled. You can fill it with any flavors of your choice, whatever flavors you want to fill it. So this is done. We have completely filled it. Now we'll take our next pipette and we will fill it with crush. So here I have a heart one. We'll do the same process. Okay, you have to fill it with anything which is liquid. You can fill it with alcohol also. In Christmas, in any festive, if you want to have an alcohol pipette, so you can fill it with that. So again I am repeating the process, doing it upside down, squeezing it again, and then put it inside and release. So this is a very simple process, but remember one thing here, you cannot add anything which is very thick. It won't take it inside. So everything what you add, it should be liquid or very like flowing consistency, for instance. So here I have filled few of the pipettes. Now let me show you how you can add. So here I have a cute little donut with me. We'll take a round pipette. We will insert the pipette inside of this donut. So you can insert it like this. Now what can clients do is either squeeze it inside completely. So you will press it, your client or your customer will press it, squeeze it inside completely. Or what they can also do is take it out, put it on the top, and like so. See how beautiful it looks, and they can enjoy. So let me know if you want to see more such